I'm going to show you before and after here. And what I'm doing is I'm just using a flap disc on a grinder to knock the top of this weld off, traveling clockwise, trying to knock it that way, and then again coming on this side, traveling clockwise to kind of take the material off this way. And I used our little 90-degree air grinder with those little square cutoff ones. Make sure you try and use these. They are the 3-inch discs that I use. I only get 3-inch ones because as soon as they burn out, don't throw them away. This is what you can use them for. If you want that little bit of blending technique that really allows it to take material but not a lot of material off, it really helps sculpt. It's actually insane. I use them all the time. So that way I create a little point. And then on the bottom side, we have a nice radius, but at least there's a lot of material built in here so that this is now really strong.